Yeah.
Okay, we are
Hi
recording.
guys.
Oh,
So
hi
Manish,
guys.
hello. So
Uh,
Manish, great. At least हम लोग को एक just for the benefit of our friends, we thought that we'll also interview you with your experiences. Unfortunately, you have been the first amongst us
okay.
all to get, and I'm not saying that you will be the last because this is a pandemic of sorts.
Let's
Or
hope he's the last.
let's hope you're the last. But I am,
So yes, yes.
yeah.
I
Let's touch wood.
I किसको भी ना हो boss, what experience I have got now.
Hmm.
I feel that nobody should get, but there's something which nobody can stop actually, kind of stuff. Till the time there is a concrete vaccine which comes in the market, which
Absolutely.
has a solution to whatever. You
Hmm.
can't detect कि you're going out or you're touching something or something, or and it can pass on from anything. I think so.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
I'll just start ki my stuff started when my wife got first tested. She been traveling every day to her job stuff. From day one since April first week she is going to office. So in this situations also, so we were taking precautions of having the sanitization properly, keeping distances at house also, kids are sleeping in one room, we are sleeping in one room, all those stuff. But somewhere uh, end of June, 30th of June, she had a symptoms of some fever, and she had come home early that time. She had by evening she had touched 102, and we had started her antibiotics. Luckily, we have a doctor in our building only, so she had given some antibiotics that had started. Uh, then by I think so by fourth when we tested her finally, because she was going to office regularly. We thought that time we had not tested, so let's test it. And doctor in fact insisted not to test it only, but okay, let's test it. We just got it tested and she came positive. Until that time, we were sleeping in one room only. By 10th, I also got the first symptom of getting body ache and fever. And uh, that was very mild actually that time. I didn't thought it would reach to that level of my stuff to, and slowly by 16th, I developed a lot of cough, and such bad cough. The whole night I had a cough whole night, and till 18th 18th is when I got tested, and my it was positive, and my health went down drastically. As that time I had decided that it is not good to be at home. Let me get myself admit to a hospital or something. uh, Hospitals, I tried Shushrat and all this stuff, but I think so I didn't got the bed. And luckily we got in contact through someone in relation, and we heard about this centers. And I got in Pantnagar, we found this center and the beds were available there. And I got admitted myself to there, and I stayed there for 10 days. Medications and everything was on there. And first test what we got it done, through which I came to know that I had developed a pneumonia in my chest. And that treatment started. It took 10 days to get treated. I was there in the center for 10 days. It was the center was a different experience altogether. It was not like a hospital kind of stuff. It's an oxygen center, so all type of people come there and stuff. And to be very frank, that place had a very hygiene was a biggest issue in that place. But treatment was good. Consultants from doctors used to come there. Everything was good. Otherwise, treatment was on. I got discharged. The first 15 days when I got discharged and I came back, uh, I was feeling very low. Means my energy was very low. Through basic medicines, all vitamins and all the stuff, I had gained my energy back. It took complete some 3 weeks to gain my energy back completely. So I would just say, just don't take lightly. Just keep monitoring, and if you find any symptoms which is uh, you have severe cough or something kind of stuff, I would suggest always to get yourself admitted to a hospital. That much I would like to say. That was my experience actually. You may ask me questions. I will be happy to answer.
So great, Manish. Just a quick one. So
Yep.
you were infected after how many days of contact with
Um,
your wife?
Maybe around about 7 days. After 7 days.
7 days, huh? तो मैं खाली यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि basically we have to all to understand that the infectious period, the incubation period is up to 14 days, and that is the reason why we have क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट्स को 14 दिन घर पे रहने के लिए बोलते हैं. ठीक है. इंडियन गवर्नमेंट के हिसाब से 17 days इज द पीरियड दैट यू शुड स्पेंड फॉर होम क्वारंटाइनिंग वंस यू आर डिटेक्टेड पॉजिटिव और फ्रॉम द सिम्टम्स, फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट ऑफ सिम्टम्स. अगर आप 11 दिन भी अगर घर पे रहते हो, so your infectious you will no longer become infectious after 11 days. That is as per the CDC, as per the Indian government also. Indian government also acknowledges कि 11th day के बाद after start of symptoms, if you are having COVID, you will not be infectious to others. So that is a very important thing to note. So but once you are in contact with a positive case, by chance, if you have attended a party or if you have in your workplace somebody has turned out positive, तो 14 days का पीरियड में कभी भी किसी को भी इन्फेक्शन होने का संभावना होता है, बिकॉज द वायरस का जो साइंस है दैट सेज दैट 14 days इज द इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड. सो एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि 2-3 दिन घर पे बैठता हूँ, थोड़ा आराम करता हूँ, देखता हूँ कुछ होता है क्या, फिर वापस जाऊँगा. नहीं, 14 days इज आइडियल. If it in a workplace, if you can be at home for 14 days, it is the best, so that you can remain isolated. You can remain isolated, and you can also avoid transmitting the infection to your colleagues or to your family members also. So ऐसा कभी भी कोई भी exposure हुआ तो 14 days का period is very very important for everybody to note.
To that point of 14 days, I also read that in the first 5 to 80% of the symptoms, or 80% of the times, the symptoms start showing up within first 5 to 6 days.
Yes.
Is that also accurate?
Yes.
Okay.
That is why after 6 days, some of the companies have given a guideline. Some of the companies, this is not written in the CDC or WHO, but after 6 days, 80% of the people start showing some effects or some symptoms. So if you test even asymptomatic people, even if you hit rate है उसमें, and that is the reason. But 14 days, if there is no testing available, then 14 days.
Okay. If there's no testing available, 14 days. Okay. Hey Satish and Rajiv, welcome.
Hi.
तो थोड़ा late join किए हम लोग. We just had Manish share his experience with us.
Okay.
So I'm recording this session.
Since we are recording,
hi. Good to see you guys.
Yeah. Great to see you, Rajiv. All well at your end?
All well, as in, I don't know whether you know, mother-in-law passed away, August 10th.
So sorry to hear this. Sorry to hear this.
Yeah. I think you told, yes, you mentioned that.
Yeah.
Was it because of COVID or
something? No. She was ailing for a very, very long time. I mean, last 1.5 years she was ailing. And things took a turn for the worse. I mean, Bish knows it. But it took a turn for the worse for the last 3-4 months. And
correct.
I guess at the end of it, what the doctor said was a multiple organ failure.
Oh, how old was she?
76.
Okay. Sorry to hear that. So going back to COVID, Bish, I have one more question. Now, I've heard of cases where people have been discharged, and in the next few days, suddenly they pass away. one case I personally know of in my mom's college was a principal, and in her early 50s, but very healthy. And she had the virus, went to the hospital, got fined, got discharged. And in a couple days, 2 days, the second day, she suddenly passed away. And I've heard of, so this though I know firsthand, but I've heard of other cases as well, like this. What are your thoughts on that? Why is that happening? Is it related?
Basically there are various effects of COVID. Okay, we are still just today I was in a seminar with KEM and Nair Hospital doctors, specialists, and one of the member of the COVID task force for Municipal Corporation of Mumbai. So every Sunday we have a kind of session where we ask questions and where we interact. So वहाँ पे वही बोल रहे थे कि this virus, even doctors are stumped. Okay, so it is a disease of surprises, and so what we have to simply follow is to follow the guidelines that are given. The 3 guidelines जो मैंने message में भी डाला था. Number 1 is strict physical distancing. I'll come to your question, Swapnil, later. So let me just tell the 3 preventive measures that if we do 98% or above, we can protect ourselves and our families. The social distancing, that is means I'll call it as physical distancing, because socially we cannot be distant, but physical distancing of 6 feet with anybody outsider. Within the household members we cannot do that. But what is happening today is we are tempted to lower our guards. We are tempted to have small family get-togethers. We are tempted to have various other social events and other things. But once we are having that, we are also seeing that there is a very, very high risk of transmission that is coming out from such gatherings, and it is a droplet infection. So अगर आपने सुना होगा कि airborne infection है वगैरह, airborne infection हो सकता है for very, very fine particles. That is why in a closed environment, whenever you are meeting, it has higher risk rather than in meeting outside, like going for a trek or something is lesser. People are lesser vulnerable rather than meeting for a small house party. Okay, in a closed environment where there is an air conditioning on, and we are spending time for more than 15 minutes at less than 6 feet distance, the risk of transmission is very, very high. And whenever we are eating, drinking in the same environment without the mask on, there is almost certain chance that if a person is positive, at least he will transmit the disease to 2.5 people. That is the scientific evidence. R naught is 2.5. That means one person can infect up to 2.5 people. So that is the statistics. So everybody is vulnerable. Okay, we do not know how badly it can hit us and our families. So better to not lower our guards till the vaccine comes. But when the vaccine comes, it may be very optimistic, but I still don't feel that we will have our hands on the vaccine for at least 6 months.
Wish we're losing you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now we can hear you again.
Sorry. So I was
You were saying that we can't get, so even after the vaccine comes and then we lost you.
Till the vaccine comes, just a second. Just a second. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Till the vaccine comes, we still have to not lower our guards, and the principles of wearing mask, and mask should be properly covering our nose to our mouth. Okay, it is not a mouth mask, it is a nose mask as well. और क्या होता है, whenever we are outside, हम हाथ कहीं पे लगाते हैं और कभी-कभी unknowingly we touch our noses, rub our eyes. So that is a habit. अगर वो हम prevent कर सके, then the transmission chain can be broken to a great extent. उड़ के virus नहीं आएगा हमारे पास. It has to be transferred to our noses and to our eyes by our fingers only. Okay, unless somebody else is coughing on your face और वो डायरेक्टली आप इनहेल कर रहे हो या आंखों में जा रहा है तो होता है. बट rubbing the eyes or rubbing our nose, we have to be very very careful in the external space. Okay, so wear mask properly, use hand sanitizer, yeah, wash your hands, and physical distancing. These are 3 simple things that we have to follow for the next 6 months. Kuch bhi ho jaye, because we don't know who is the spreader, and it has come out that 20% of the people will spread to 80% of the people.
Correct.
Okay, so 20% of the people are the super spreaders. They may not even know that they are carrying the virus. Kids are very vulnerable in that extent. Kids can be super spreaders. They may not show the signs of the disease, but they may also recover very quickly, but they may still keep spreading for those period of 10 days 11 days jo maine bataya. So a person is infectious after displaying symptoms for 10 days. 11 day ke baad that person will not be infectious to others. And but RT-PCR भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक बार कर लिया, later on also Indian government doesn't want you to also repeat a test to show that मैं negative हूँ. I have seen in the last many months that sometimes RT-PCR keeps coming positive even up to the 4th or the 5th week in some cases. That doesn't mean that person is infectious. उससे दूर रहो, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay?
True,
so it can
because in my case also it didn't happen.
So yeah, it may not happen. So unnecessarily there is no point in going after कि आप positive हो, negative हो and all. In today's times we have to focus more on the symptoms. अगर कोई symptomatic है, even mild symptoms है, अजीब सा symptoms है, headache हो रहा है, unknowingly थोड़ा sore throat हो रहा है, 3-4 दिन के बाद करवा लो test, because that will at least give us an indicator. Test is not only RT-PCR but a few other tests like LDH and CRP and CBC. These are 3 things. CBC जो complete blood count है, CRP is a measure of your inflammation and infection in the body, and LDH is what is told by lactose dehydrogenase बोलते हैं, that is told by the experts. There are other things also which can be done in senior citizens or people with comorbidities, like D-dimer होता है. There is one more test like IL-6 interleukin, but that is only अगर fever रहता है और ठीक नहीं हो रहा है and all these things, that can be done at a later date. But early, if you are having this very very strange feeling, sometimes it also starts. Now I am seeing a lot of people with GI symptoms. That means पेट खराब है, 2 दिन 3 दिन हो गया, पेट खराब है, पेट में क्रैम्प्स हो रहा है, हल्का सा लूज मोशंस हो रहा है. That is turning out to be COVID. Okay. COVID is coming out with various presentations, so we have to be muscle fatigue, simple body ache, जैसे normal flu में जैसा होता था, muscle fatigue, cold, headache, loss of smell, loss of taste, very very unique. But this but जिसको पहले loss of taste, loss of smell होता है, it is a very good sign क्योंकि the intensity of the infection is less. मतलब the course of the infection is better in those people who actually present with loss of taste and smell starting.
But Vish, is it one of the symptoms that it can be a multiple symptoms or just one symptoms that
it can be any of the same. किसी को होता है, किसी को नहीं भी होता है. So that is what I'm saying that.
Abhivesh, मेरे को जैसे थोड़ा सा I had 2-3 cans of beer in that single week. बुखार आया, बॉडी एक हुआ, और वो बॉडी एक 10 से 12 दिन चला. मतलब it was very strange कि है ना, 10 से 12 दिन. उसके बाद मैं सारा बियर ही पीना छोड़ दिया है. साला डर लग रहा है बियर पीने, क्योंकि sore throat तो if you are having chilled beer in this kind of atmosphere, वो तो यार it is very common. So how do you differentiate with that beer पीने का sore throat और आइसक्रीम खाने का sore throat and this sore throat?
टेस्ट करा ले.
नहीं, मैं ठीक हो गया भाई.
टेस्ट करा ले, शायद पॉजिटिव भी आ जाए, क्या पता.
वही थोड़ा एक कंफ्यूजन है कि we are not taking the, मतलब जो वो अलार्म आ रहा है, वो अलार्म हम लोग बरोबर उसको है ना समझ नहीं पा रहे.
तेरे को क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? 12 दिन तो साइड में बैठा है बोल रहा है. तेरे को ये और क्या अलार्म चाहिए तुझे?
अरे लेकिन मैं ऑक्सीमीटर टेक्स्ट कर रहा था, ऑक्सीमीटर मेरे को 97 98 दिखा रहा था.
So it's not necessary your oxygen will go down.
अच्छा, अच्छा ऐसा भी है क्या?
कंपल्सरी नहीं है, अगर गया तो you have to go to the hospital, otherwise you can stay at
Sandy,
home.
सैंडी तेरे को देख के वो भी डर गया, कोविड भी डर गया।
तुम लोगों
अच्छा,
की
अभिष,
मदद
तू बोलेगा चाइना का माल है, नकली
ऑक्सीमीटर
माल है।
ऑक्सीमीटर तुझे बोलेगा कि भैया सैंडी है भाई, ये दारू पिला रहा है मुझे, मैं ऐश कर रहा हूँ ऐसे।
अच्छा बिश और एक
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन।
हाँ,
हाँ, अभी ये लोग ट्रैवल करके जो आते हैं, then let's say you've taken a flight and you've quarantined yourself for 7 days. So what is the most optimal time to do a COVID test? Because otherwise you have to quarantine for 14 days, sometimes even 21. What is the most optimal time to do a COVID test wherein you can reduce that quarantine time?
look, as per science, what I said, 14 days is the time of the incubation period
हाँ,
from the time of exposure. So when
correct.
we are traveling, the incidence of getting into contact at the airport or with a fellow
Is higher.
passenger who has COVID is higher. And
Correct.
again, traveling in the aircraft may be a higher risk.
Correct.
Even if
Correct.
the aircrafts, they say that our positive pressure ventilation and other things are air,
Correct.
so you will not get it, but still there is a
Correct.
immense
Of
risk
course. Of
at
course.
the airports, at the in the washroom, in the bathroom of the airports, in the toilets of the planes. Everything is very, very highly infected areas. Okay, so that is one thing. So 14 days again, 21 days की जरूरत नहीं है, frankly speaking. So Swapnil, so 14 days after a travel, if you quarantine, and after 14 days you can come out if you are not showing any signs and symptoms of the disease. Okay.
But Bish, just
मेरे को एक
slightly
क्वेश्चन है,
unclear.
राजीव, one sec, I have one question. I'm thinking to come in November for 3 days. I'll take a COVID test here, and if it comes negative, then I'm coming there. I'm planning to come there, get my ये मेरे को सफल का नाटक, I have to get the signature done and then fly back again. So like, and then I'll come back and take a COVID again here.
Yeah.
Is that good enough?
So in fact, the government is changing their protocols regularly. So बीच में ऐसा था कि if you are going back within 3 days, so you don't need to quarantine yourself.
Quarantine.
Okay, so you have to be aware of the latest Indian government guidelines as far as that is concerned. Anyways, if you are already getting a COVID negative certificate, you need not quarantine at the institution. Okay, and they will not check you again. You have to quarantine at home. So it makes no difference for you if you are at home and not traveling all around the place, right? So
No, but Bish, going back to that question, abhi 14 day, if you want to reduce that, so you can come back and then take a test, a COVID test.
on the 6th or the 7th day, 6th day or
Just
the
you should take it on the 6th or the 7th day, not the 3rd day, 4th day.
again जैसे बोला ना कि 80% of the times,
Okay,
80%
got
of
it.
the times, maybe in the first 6-7 days, your body will show if you have been exposed,
Okay,
right? And still there is a risk. There are twofolds. One is risk of the testing and risk of the virus being detected because of the way it has been collected. Okay, risk of testing means RT-PCR test also has a 70% hit rate. 30% times it may still show a false negative. Okay, so false tests are common in RT-PCR also, even though that is
70%
the
is
goal.
pretty high, yeah.
70%
Is the no, so 30% false
30%
negative.
is high, yeah.
Yeah.
30% there are chances that it may not be caught. Okay? So वैसे rapid antigen test जो आजकल बहुत जगह first, what the government is now doing, because rapid antigen gives you quicker results.
Correct.
First अगर symptomatic है तो rapid antigen करते हैं, उसके बाद अगर उसमें positive आ गया तो it is considered as true positive. अगर negative आया and still you are symptomatic, they will again do a RT-PCR.
Okay.
Just a second layer of testing.
Okay.
Right? So we are getting affected in the environment where it has come very close. It is affecting us, our family, at our workplace. Also, we are seeing that many people within our friends and families are getting affected. But so hence we should be very careful of not neglecting this, because you never know what the outcome will be for various people, even after recovery. And Manish, you may add to this. After recovery, how do you feel after coming back from the hospital?
The first 15 days, you will feel your energy is completely drained out. There is there is complete weakness in your body, and there's no way that a person will feel that he's comfortable. Okay, you feel that okay, there is a recovery process happening in the system. You'll feel actually that part, but there is a weakness for at least 15 days. You will not be able to lift any heavy items or something else, and you will get very tired very soon. So you have to take that precaution of 15 days to 20 days to heal also.
Yeah, and very true. Some people recover quickly. Some people
Yes.
the recovery process takes up to 2 to 2.5 months also, and we don't know how going forward, as we know more of the virus and as we know more from the people who have recovered, what is the extent of damage to various organs. So it makes more sense to protect ourselves as much as possible. So that is
But Bish, you're saying that typically, if you suspect yourself to have, compromised or caught the virus, it will show manifest within 6-7 days, or it could happen even after
14
14
days.
days of
Up to 14 days
up
of
to 14
exposure.
days.
Of exposure.
Achha, but tell me one thing, there is different, information on, let's say if you're going for a morning walk or something, okay, do you need to keep your mask worn while going for a morning walk, or where there's nobody there? But then some people say that, it's better to keep your mask on, and some people say that, it's not necessary. So what is the,
So are you confident that there is nobody there? That is number one question.
Stop
yeah,
going for morning walks. That is the answer.
Huh?
and have
ये
beer in the morning?
हर किसी को बहन चोद बाहर घूमने का, that is the problem. या एक दूसरे को देख के you want to become healthy by morning walk only. That is the problem. मैं तो को बता रहा हूँ ना.
संदीप समझ गया
Everybody is
समझ
going
गया समझ गया
outside. अरे
समझ गया समझ गया
हम लोग को घर
समझ
पे
गया
प्रेशर
समझ गया
कितना
समझ
है.
गया समझ गया
हम
समझ
लोग को
गया
घर
Hey,
समझ
पे
गया
सब लोग अरे सब लोग गोवा जा रहे हैं,
समझ गया
सब लोग
समझ गया
गोवा जा रहे हैं,
Sandeep,
सब लोग लोनावाला जा रहे हैं. निकलो सी एवरीथिंग इज
समझ गया
बिकम
समझ गया
नॉर्मल. कैंप
संदीप
जाते हो
समझ
ऐसा
गया
लगता है,
समझ गया
कैंप जाते हो
आंसर
ऐसा
समझ
लगता है
गया
कि साला है ही नहीं कोरोना. साला यहाँ साले आदमी मर रहे हैं और यहाँ ये लोगों पब्लिक को घूमना है.
hey,
अरे
Rajiv, to your answer, that's a good answer. But क्या होता है कि I was talking to several of the cardiologists here. They gave examples. If a cyclist is passing by you, okay, he carries almost 12 feet of that fluids because he's continuously pumping a lot of, in and out. And if a runner is running next to you, it's not just like it's a touch, but that effect is there for 6 feet to 7 feet. That is continuously there. So just here, US, they're saying when you're walking out, it's not needed. Okay. But yeah, India is different than US. It has a population so highly concentrated. It's almost, you don't have pure air. Let me be honest.
Yeah.
Another thing, Rajiv, what you can do is maybe when you are going for a brisk walk or a mild jog, don't keep it up your nose. Okay, so at least keep it below your nose. This is the only thing that is okay, because you also don't want to feel breathless. If you have tried running with the full mask on, it is very uncomfortable.
Yeah.
It's very uncomfortable. Yes.
Yeah.
Or even if you're going on a walk, if you have a mask on, intermittently take it out, take some fresh oxygen, and then again put it back on when there's no one. Now, Bish, sweat se nahi hota hai na? It's only through saliva.
Sweat se nahi hota. No.
Sweat se nahi hota.
No. It is only through the droplets, micro droplets that are emitted.
Correct.
Another thing is, when you are wearing a mask, don't worry. You will not inhale all the carbon dioxide. It is just that environment, micro environment of that heat and humidity in a place like Mumbai, when you are actually going out for a walk or a run, that makes you very uncomfortable. That's the reason why I said कि थोड़ा सा नीचे कर लो when